Hey, afternoon everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. I just wanted to do an update video on the Lenovo ThinkPads. I read yesterday where Lenovo is starting to offer Linux as an operating system choice in new ThinkPads. So I figure I'll do the same with ours here, the refurbished ones. So if you want Linux installed instead of Windows, just let me know, and usually Linux it takes less than an hour to get it installed. So come on by the shop, pick out which one you want, and if you want Linux installed on it, I can do the install and wipe Windows off of it and put Linux Mint on it with the extra programs I outlined in that project where I had built out the T450E with Linux Mint. So I'll include those programs as well to kind of give it a little more functionality. But like I say, you have a choice now of Windows or Linux on the Lenovo ThinkPads you purchase from Jets PC. So hope that helps. Come on by the shop. We're at 7543 Grissom Rd Suite 121, and we are open Tuesday through Saturday 10 to 7. Thanks for checking out this video, and thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Y'all have a good day.